Just like any other meter, the 682 meter from Total Control Systems will eventually need to be recalibrated. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to recalibrate it. After determining how much your meter is off with a prover, you'll need to remove the wiring seal and the tag on the meter to start the adjustment process. Slowly remove the seal pin that is in the discs and rotate the index disc on top to make the adjustments. Turning the disc counterclockwise increases delivery and clockwise decreases it. Once finished, put the pin back in place and retest. If the test is satisfactory, secure the wiring seal and put the tag back on the meter. For more information on the 682 meter, or to order, call us at 800-247-1854 or visit shop.farmchem.com.